Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. I want to talk to you today and give you a quick business tip, business growth tip. And this is about one of the most important numbers that you need to know as a business owner. And I'm amazed at how many times I'm working with a business or talking with a business owner and they've never taken the time to figure this out. And what that number is, it's the lifetime value of a client or customer. Really, it's the lifetime profit value of a client or customer. And this number is so important because once you know this number, you know exactly how much money you can spend in your marketing, in your referral systems, in how to increase the profits of your business in key areas. So I'm going to tell you real quickly how you can get even just a general idea of what this number is for your business. What you're going to do is you're just going to take what is the average purchase amount for your product or service. So to give you an example, if you were a chiropractor and you charged $50 per visit, or if you sell wheels and that wheel is $50 per wheel, whatever it is, your product or service, what's the average amount that people are paying you for your product or service? And then how many times are they making purchases every year? So again, with the chiropractor illustration, maybe they come to you, we'll make it easy, 10 times a year. So an average purchase of $50, 10 times per year, is $500 per year for your average client or customer. Then you want to figure out how long do they do business with you. So maybe they do business with you for 3 years, an average of 3 years. So $500 a year over 3 years is $1,500. Not too bad for every client or customer. Then you figure out what your profit margin is. So what are your costs of goods and services compared to what you charge? And say your profit margin is 50%. So we're going to take that $1,500 value of each client or customer and apply our 50% profit margin. So every client or customer is worth $750 in profits to our business. Now, once you know that, it's amazing because now you know, hey, here's how much I can spend in my marketing or in my referral systems or in discounts or offers to gain a new client or customer, because I know I'm going to make an average of $750 profits from that new client or customer. So am I willing to spend $200 to still make a profit of $550? And that's up to you in figuring out the most effective ways of using that money and how much you're willing to spend to gain that new client or customer. And then you also know what key areas of your business you can improve to increase your profits. And this is what I work with a business over a period of a couple years. And we look at every area of every one of these areas, as well as a lot of other things, to create these small increases that make a huge difference. So for instance, if we were able to add more value, some more benefits or features to our product or service and get the average purchase amount from $50 maybe up to just $55. And through, again, customer service and engagement and offering other products and value webs, we're able to get them to purchase or do business with us not just 10 times a year, but maybe 12 times a year. And let's figure out why they're stopping after 3 years and see if we can increase that amount to 3.5 years or maybe 4 years and get them to do business with us a little bit longer. And maybe we can look at our operations, our suppliers, our other costs, and see if we can trim things up or get better deals and get our profit margins to increase, again, maybe just by another 5% to 55%. And you'll see that when those things multiply together, they end up making a huge difference in your profit margins. Or what about a referral system where you can reward the people that give you referrals and give them a great deal to offer to other potential clients and customers, and you figure out that every new client or customer averages getting another new client or customer to you. That essentially doubles their value. So instead of $750 of profit, they're actually doubling that by recruiting someone else. So they're actually worth $1,500 of profits to you. So knowing this number and how to figure that out and then how to leverage those things is extremely important to you as a business owner. And if you haven't done that yet, can I encourage you to do it today? And if it would help, I've got a worksheet that can help you do those calculations and figure that out that I'd be happy to send you. Just send me a message or an email and I'll shoot that your way. And if you would like to know more information about how I help my clients and to figure out these numbers, but also improve those numbers and exponentially increase their profits, then again, just shoot me a message. I'd be happy to help and be looking for more quick business tips.